Today we are working on lesson 7, the 8th lesson, sorting by multi-level data. So step 1 says click the auto filter icon for airline, this button right here, and then click sort A to Z. The data in the table is now sorted by the airline name. You can also change the sort sequence to something different, such as what time each flight leaves. Click the auto filter icon for departure time, and then click sort smallest to largest. You can now see that all the rows have completely resorted using only the departure time column. In other words, both of these steps use single level sorting. So mark that as answered. The data in the table also shows that most airlines, such as Delta Airlines, fly to multiple destinations from this airport on the same day. You can sort the data using two different columns at the same time. Ensure that the active cell is anywhere inside the table. Then on the Home tab in the Editing group, Home tab, the Editing group, click Sort and Filter, and then click Custom Sort. Excel displays the sort dialog box. Hint, you can also open it from the data table. So in the sort dialog box, click the arrow next to sort by field, and then click airline. Airline column is now the primary sort key. Use the destination column as a secondary sort key in descending sequence. So click add level. To add another sort key, click the arrow then by, and then click destination. Click the arrow for order, and we want that to be Z to A, and then click OK. Notice the direction of the arrows in the auto filter icon for airline and destination columns. You can see that these things have a weird different arrow. Click the auto filter icon for departure time and click sort smallest to largest. And you can see that it undid what we just did. Submit results, and this completes sorting by multi-level data.